Wagra long live,
long live, long live.
Ayo lokthong,
Ayo lokthong, ayo lokthong.
Tripura topa ayo lokthong,
Ayo lokthong, ayo lokthong.
CAA band karo,
बंद करो, बंद करो.
CAA no rosa de,
रोसा दे, रोसा दे.
CAA no tisha de,
दिशा दे, दिशा दे.
ani CAA no tisha de,
दिशा दे, दिशा दे. Long live,
Tripura motha long live,
long live, long live.
Wagra long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura long live,
Long live, long live.
CAA band karo,
बंद करो, बंद करो.
CAA band karo,
बंद करो, बंद करो.
Amendment bill high, high,
Hi, 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 hi.
Amendment act high, high,
Hi, 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 hi.
Amendment act high, high,
Hi, 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 hi.
CAA band karo,
बंद करो, बंद करो.
वागा आगे बढ़ो,
आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो.
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
दे साथ दे.
वागा आगे बढ़ो,
आगे बढ़ो, साथ दे.
तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
साथ दे, आगे बढ़ो.
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
हुआगरा 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 साथ दे.
आगे बढ़ो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
Tripura motha long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura motha long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura motha ni hasil lai, Tripura motha ni hasil lai,
Sini hawa tinggalai.
Tripura sani hasil lai,
Sini hawa tinggalai.
Tripura sani hasil lai,
Sini hawa tinggalai.
dae bae Tripura sa,
Tripura sa, Tripura sa.
Tripura sa long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura long live,
Long live, long live.
Wagra long live,
Long live, long live.
Wagra आगे बढ़ो, Wagra long live,
Long live, long live.
Wagra long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura motha long live.
Long live, long live.
What is this protest all about? What are the protests? What are the protests?
It is a very clear message that the indigenous people of Tripura are against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Tripura has already accommodated many people. We are requesting the government of India to kindly reconsider, because the plight of the indigenous people is in grave danger, under threat. We want assurances from the government of India, and we don't want this act to be implemented in Tripura, because Tripura has taken enough already. We have all gathered here today non-politically, and we want to show to New Delhi that you cannot bow down the voice of the indigenous people of Tripura anymore. We are here not as any political party, we are here as Tiprasa, we are here as proud Indians, and we oppose this bill, this act, because it affects the very existence of our community.
Sir, you have also met the Home Minister. What was the discussion? What is your message to him?
The Home Minister met us and he's tried to make us understand that this bill is in the interest of this country. I am telling him that if we are not Indians, we are Indians too. If this bill is not in our interest, then how is it in the interest of the country? Can you segregate one community and say that this is in the interest of the country? I have told him that I'll take him to the Supreme Court, and we have gone to the Supreme Court, and we are very hopeful that the highest judiciary in this land will consider the injustice done to the indigenous people of this region, not only Tripura, but the entire Northeast. I am not here as a politician anymore. So if the Home Minister thinks he's talking to a politician, then he is incorrect. He is talking to a person who is leading the society and the social movement here. So I've been very honest with him. He's heard us patiently. I'm hopeful that he will reconsider his decision and not enforce this act in the entire region, and specifically so today because we are in Tripura. We do not want this act. We are very categorical. There is no compromise on that.
Hello, Kemudian saya dibagai kiri poros karo, Muhammadi Sohano, Aibo Safari di sana dibagai kiri, Umar Kerabai Kohoskan, Umar Kerabai Tijulkan, Oh, sini oposti, Rili, Oh Rili Oh, Jodoh Kakak Tahun Baik Botono, Jodoh Kami Mana dari bagai, Hangono, Hai Kumai Kohoskan.
Jangan suruh mana, suruh naik. Sini